Lesson 9. AI Courses, AI Course Generation. Introduction. Welcome back to the Lenxel Tutorial Series. In this lesson, designed specifically for instructors, we'll guide you through generating courses with the power of artificial intelligence, AI. Discover how to transform your ideas into fully structured courses in minutes, saving time and enhancing learner engagement. The smart choice for modern course creators. Stop spending weeks on manual curriculum design. Lenxel leverages advanced AI to seamlessly bridge the gap between your ideas and launching successful, professional courses that captivate students. Steps to generate a course. 1. Access dashboard. Log into your instructor/admin dashboard. Navigate to Create Course in sidebar. Click the Create Course button to create a new course. 2. Create Course. Click the Generate with AI button to initiate the course generation process. Input to describe your course. Enter a description of your subject matter and your target audience, or upload a rough outline or supporting documents. Whether you have a detailed syllabus or just a single sentence, Lenxel's AI is designed to understand your intent, e.g., Introduction to Digital Marketing for Small Businesses. Generate the curriculum. Click the Generate Now button to begin course creation. Watch as the AI course generator builds your entire framework. In seconds, you will have a structured path featuring micro-learning modules, interactive quizzes, and practical assignments. Personalize your content. Use our intuitive WordPress editor to add your unique voice. You can easily tweak the AI-generated text, swap in your own videos, or add custom PDFs to ensure the course feels authentically yours. Step 4. Publish and transform. Hit publish and start enrolling students. Lenxel handles the heavy lifting of course delivery, tracking student progress, and managing submissions so you can focus on what matters most, teaching. Benefits of AI course generation. AI course generation saves you time, ensures high-quality, structured content, boosts student engagement with interactive elements, and allows for quick customization to match your brand. This turns ideas into revenue-generating courses faster than ever. Need more help? Lenxel offers comprehensive documentation and support. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you for staying tuned.